that?
What did you get, Luna? What is that?
Train.
A train? Did Santa leave that for you? Santa was here and he ate all his cookies.
Yeah, look at this. Look on the table, Luna.
He drank his milk. And he left presents in our stockings. You see anything else?
Look, he drank his milk and there's still some crumbs. What else do you see? What is that over there? The green thing. Luna, what is that?
Rabbit.
Go get it.
Santa left that for you too.
I think you can sit on it. You want Papa to help? Here.
Well, watch that. Why don't you put it over there on the other side?
Look.
You want to see it?
No, you can sit on it. Here.
Oh, hey, careful.
Papa likes a train. Oh no, what happened? Oh no! Oh, a book. And an orange.
Tiny.
Tiny orange. What else is in there? Marshmallows.
Whoa.
Good job giving all the candy to Papa, huh?
What is it?
My mice.
Ooh. Count them.
No, here count the money.
Two.
Can you count them?
Three.
Too exciting. Did you get some lifesavers? Yeah, are they good? What else is in your stocking? He's like, oh yeah.
Put the lifesavers on the table. You can get them, and then you open first everything else. Put them on the table. Yeah, and then look in your stocking.
Mom.
Is that a book?
What is that? What is that, Luna?
Bunny.
Oh, is that a gingerbread man?
Just look at the stocking. There's more in the stocking.
She's not putting those candies down.
Are you eating?
Are you hungry?
Mom.
Turn around. Look what else is in your stocking.
Turn around. Luna, can you bounce? Bounce, bounce, bounce! She wants to- You have to hold on to the ears. There you go. There you go. What'd you get, Luna? Oh, that's pretty. That's pretty.
Here, we'll put that away, and then you can open it.
Let's save those.
Yeah.
What's in the package?
Poison.
Open it up. Let's see what it is. Oh, what'd you get?
Ooh.
Oh, Luna! It's more pajamas. She's like, wait, I have pajamas.
Yeah, come here.
Dad.
Should I take it off?
Yeah.
Let's see.
It's office.
No, we'll put them on later.
Here, look.
Ooh.
Pink. Your favorite color. Oh, this one is cute. Look.
Yay! What'd you get, Papa?
Papa got berenskoen. Oh, this is nice. Ah. Running pants. Perfect. Yeah, and if the girls goes night night, you just do it like this. Oh, now I understand it. It's not that it comes up. It's bending.
Yeah.
And you open it.
Are you driving, Luna? What are you doing, boss?
I'm going to make some coffee with my Cafissimo.
Hey, Luna. Hey. Are you eating your Christmas dinner? Yeah. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. We'll do another one in 10 minutes when she's asleep.
Here's dinner.
Pick one.